Hi, I'm Dan and we're going to take this fantastic Nissan Qashqai for a little test drive. Keyless entry and keyless start on this model. So clutch down, press the start stop button. Car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily. The electric handbrake releases automatically. So away we go. We do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Clutch and the gearbox feel good. Get it through all 6 gears. No issues there. Brakes feel nice. Steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. It's a really nice car to drive, lovely high up driving position, really good visibility all round, and you also get incredible specification. I think the only thing that's extra on this is the panoramic glass roof, which does have an electric sunblind as well, but everything else, I mean, for example, you've got front, rear and side parking cameras, really large multimedia display here with sat nav on at the moment. On there you've also got the likes of DAB radio, as well as FM, AM and CD player. You've got a USB port, auxiliary in port. So loads of different ways to connect your devices. You've also got dual zone climate control down here. Oh, and the all-important Bluetooth for your mobile phone hands-free, as well as for audio streaming. The car's also got safety features like lane assist. As well, we've got cruise control, leather multifunction steering wheel, power folding door mirrors, front and rear parking sensors. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. It's got pretty much everything. Car's done less than 63,000 miles. You get really good fuel economy on these as well. Really spacious, really big boot with like dividers where you can hide stuff away if you want to. So yeah, there we are. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care. Bye for now.